So good evening, our dear American friends. You look absolutely stunning today.
Thank you so much.
It looks also like you came from really, really far. From where exactly are you from?
We are from Utah.
Utah?
Yes.
Well, that's a bit weird because all people I know from Utah wear those black, boards on their shirts. And
missionaries.
Oh, yeah.
So what is this, Dave?
This is a dress.
Totally in blue.
Yes.
And what will we see today? What have you prepared for us today? Which dances?
A couple clogging numbers, and a character dance.
A musical number.
And a musical number.
Oh, nice.
One of them, our main dance is called High Horse. It's when, all of us are on stage and we're doing lots of fast moves with our feet. So, yeah.
Is there a big difference between the American dances in the north and the south?
Styling, maybe, between cloggers. Clogging-wise, yes.
It's mostly from the east and the west, the clogging styles. The clogging in the east is more dip to the ground and more in your knees, and whereas the clogging in the west is more high energy and powerful. So.
Is this the first time you have visited Slovenia today?
Yes, it is. But my brother lived here for a while. So.
Really? Where?
He was in Maribor and a few other cities, Celje and Ljubljana.
Nice. Thank you very much, and say hello to Oprah.
Oh, we'll try.
You're from USA. Bonsoir, ça va?
Ça va très bien, merci.
So you're from France.
Yes, from Brittany.
Oh, how do you say this in French?
Bretagne.
Oh, nice, nice. Well, we know a lot about France. We know you have a nice tower, a nice first lady, but we don't know much about your dances. How are your dances like?
Oh, you'll see tonight. They can be very different. Mm-hmm. There are approximately 250 different dances in Brittany, which correspond to different occasions, in the everyday life. What else can I say? Some are sad, some are happy. It depends on the occasion.
Are the dances from Brittany very different from the rest of France?
Yes, they are very specific. As I told you, they correspond to different, very specific occasions in.
I've heard they have a Celtic heritage.
Yes. In Brittany, we speak Breton, which is a Breton language, and we actually sing in Breton during the performance tonight.
Nice.
So yes, the dances are really different from the rest of the country.
Yeah. Have a nice evening. Merci beaucoup.
Merci, de rien.
Good evening, Turkey. I really, really love your hat. What is it called?
It's called, in Turkish it's, sorry, can I ask, because it says, different names. Buna ne deniyor tam olarak arkadaşlar? Kabalak. It's called kabalak in Turkey, yes, Turkish.
Nice. From which part of Turkey are you from?
It's actually, we are all coming from Istanbul, the biggest city of Turkey. Yeah.
When it comes to Turkish dances, we all know what Sertab Eren'e or Tarkan dance, but what are the real Turkish ethno dances?
Yeah, actually it's very different, because what you mentioned about Sertab and Tarkan, they are popular music, but when it's coming to the traditional music, yes, Turkey, a lot of traditional music, a lot of traditional dances, because it's like a bridge from, between the East and the West. We are going to performance, which is coming from the different side of Turkey. So the dances are totally different.
You know that down there they are selling something called real Turkish döner kebab.
Yeah,
have you tried
kebab,
it?
yes, not yet, I think, but I hope they are making good foods, and they are representing us in a very good way in here.
Try it and tell me if it's the real thing. So.
Okay, I will do it. Okay.
Have a nice evening.
Okay.
Buenas tardes, Colombia. First time here in Slovenia.
Yeah, it's good evening. We come from Colombia. This is second time we going to here.
I have learned something in Spanish. Colombia es un estado de café, pero ¿cómo te gusta un café esloveno?
Sí, it's the Slovenian coffee is very delicious. It's same the Colombian coffee.
Yeah, because it's from Colombia. Have a nice evening. Thank you. Gracias.
Okay.
Good evening. You look like you came from really, really far. Where exactly are you from?
Yeah, I'm coming from India. It's a good festival. I'm very happy.
You came especially for Lent Festival.
Yeah, it's very good festival. I'm Indian folk singer.
What have you prepared tonight? The show. What will we see?
Prepared for some song, some dance, and some performance, traditional dance, traditional song, etc.
Nice. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you. Dobro večer, braća Srbi, opet u Sloveniji. Prvi put?
Ja sam prvi put, ali grupa već drugi.
I šta ste nam pripremili za noćas?
Za večeras igre iz Južne Srbije.
Meni se čini da srpske folk igre su postale jako popularne među Slovencima, posebno uz Novu godinu, kad svi, znači, digu ruke i...
Žurke, ja?
Da.
Pa vidjet ćemo večeras.
Da. Jako mi se sviđa vaša noša. Ima i ovo neko ime?
Evo, prsluk, jelek.
Super.
To.
Ima neki...
Šubara, naravno.
Aha, znači li ovo nešto posebno ili?
Ne. Ne, ništa, da, čisto tradicija.
Naši dragi rojaki, dober večer. Malo sem zmeden, ne? Slovenski folkart in jaz pričakujem, ne? Golico, čebelarja in te slakove ritme in najbolj sem se zmotil, ne?
Ja, najprej lep pozdrav. Glede golice, glede čebelarja, pa glede folklore. Čebelar golica bo čez nekaj časa folklora, sigurno. Sedaj pohranjamo naše pristne, ljudske pesmi, ki so šle iz roda v rod, katere so peli, plesali naši dedje, babice, tako da pustimo čebelarje in golico za namce.
Jaz očitno nimam pojma, ne? Z katerega konca ste?
Jaz sem rad z Ribence. Treba še nekaj dati na prejšnje vprašanje. Ne? Slovenija je zelo raznolika. Slovenija je ogromno pokrajin, raznoraznih, z različnimi kostumi in mi smo folklorna skupina, ki smo sicer iz Ljubljane, ampak pokrivamo v bistvu celo Slovenijo. Plesalci in plesalke prihajajo iz večine delov Slovenije, tako da imamo tudi mi plešemo preko 20 koreografij, ki so iz vsake svojega konca. In danes smo se odločili, da prikažemo plese iz Bele krajine.
Jaz tam opazujem te razne Indice in Turke in so višek načičkanosti, mislim, vsega je polno, mi pa tako nedolžno belo, minimalistično. Zakaj so slovenske noše tako, da ne bomo neko skromne, zadržane?
Ne vem, mogoče je to narodne zavesti. Težko reči. Čista in nedolžna.
No ja, če lahko jaz pripomnim, saj imamo tudi mi kostume oziroma noše, naprimer Gorensko, ki je, tako kot ste rekel, načičkana oziroma malo bolj bogato okrašena. Poanta je v tem, da v vseh pokrajinah niso imeli ljudje zmožnosti, ne finančnih, ne tako, ne drugače, imeti opremljeno, bom rekel, kostum oziroma obleke v tistem času. Seveda takrat, kdor pač je kolikor lahko dal nase, dobesedno, toliko je nas se dal. In še danes se vidi, ena pokrajina je bolj razvita kot druga. In tukaj je bilo isto. Gorenci recimo so bili bolj napredni, kot eni Prekmurci ali pa Dolenci. Seveda, gre se zdaj spet za to, ali so to preprosti plesi, pri katerih tudi uporabljamo te kostume, ali pa so to eni fini meščanski plesi, kjer so pa bogate noše, lepo opremljene. To je vse stvar plesa, stvar, kot sem rekel, okolje, iz katerega izhajaš in to je to.
Čaka tudi vas kakšno gostovanje, kje v tujini bodoče?
Ja, zdaj jutri, pojutrišnjem, gremo v Turčijo za 2 tedna skoraj, 12 dni, gremo v Turčijo na turnejo v Istanbul, kjer je festival COF, isto kot tale festival tukaj na Lentu, isto pod okriljem organizacije COF.
Lepo nas zastopajte, lep večer.
Sigurno, enako tudi vam.
Hvala.